So this video is about your Armored Flex cable. Now this right here is your Armored Flex. Inside this, it is actually a hollow tube. It is similar to BX in the makeup, except it doesn't have any conductors on the inside. You would install these yourself. Next week, or depending on when you're listening to this, watching this, I will be showing you how to fish wires into this. Typically what you do is you would fish the wires through this first, and then you'd be able to put in your anti-shorts. Now these are a little bit bigger than what you'd normally use, but they slip right in like this. And then you have these. I introduced the L16s today. These would be called L17, so they're a little bit bigger, and they do fit over top of this cable nice, right like that. There you go. So they fit in just nice, and you can kind of see how they are pushed right to the end. This is how they'll fit, and then you can tighten that up. You'd use a screwdriver, but even in the inspection hole, you can kind of see that there is a little bit of red there. That shows that the anti-short is in the cable itself. This conduit is really nice because you can pick what type of conductors you would like. The only thing I didn't show you in class, which I will again next week, but just so you have a little bit extra, is the type of strap that you're going to be using to attach this. So these are the types of straps. These are your EMT 3/4 inch straps, and you can see they got the one hole, and this is where the conduit would go. So you're able to fit the conduit over, you'd put one screw in, and it will hold it fairly secure. It won't go anywhere. So it is the approved method for strapping this down. The only other thing that I have not shown you guys yet is the cable itself, and I will be showing you how to fish cable through this conduit in our next class.